Hello, I'm Dave Dio, Product Support Engineering Manager for Arcom Labs and Arcom Digital. And today I want to demonstrate how to install Wi-Fi credentials into a QAM Snare Navigator. Here I have my Navigator and I have my Wi-Fi and GPS antennas connected. Starting at the main menu, I'm going to press the Settings button and select Connections. Press Enter. And here I see my Wi-Fi profiles, I have my server profiles, and some FSK ISM information. Here I'm interested in my connection profile for Wi-Fi. Press Enter. And here you see I have three Wi-Fi profiles programmed into the Navigator. I've got the Arcom Lab Test, Exit Onely, and Jetpack. I'm going to delete Jetpack just to show you how it's done. So I'm going to select Jetpack and press the Clear button. I get a message that says, do you want to delete the record Jetpack? And I say, yes, I do. Now Jetpack is gone. So let's reprogram Jetpack into the Navigator. And I have got my Jetpack information here. So the first thing to do is to select Add. And here I have characters. I have a caps lock on button that changes to capital letters. I have capital locks off. That will change me back to lowercase letters. I have a clear all button if I have something entered into my name or network information or password information. I can click clear all and that will eliminate everything in that field. And I can click cancel. Cancel will take me back to the previous menu option. Okay, once again, select connection profile. And I'm going to add a profile. Profile name, I'm going to select Jetpack. So I'm going to use my arrow keys and my enter key, and I'm going to select the letter J. Turn my cap locks on for capital J, press enter. Turn my capital locks off, and enter in the remaining portion of the Jetpack name. E, T, P, A, C, Okay, it's a little bit strange because I'm so used to a QWERTY keyboard and this is a linear keyboard. Okay. Now I'm going to click OK to accept what I put in. Next I'm going to enter in the network ID and this is Verizon MiFi 6620L C8DD. So select and press enter and enter in the information. Capital V. E, R, I, Z, O, N, a hyphen, capital M, I, capital F, I, and now I'm going to use my keypad to type in 6620, capital L, oops, capital L, another hyphen, and all caps, C, the number 8, D, D. Check it. Verizon MiFi 6620L C8DD. Looks good. Okay. Now I'm going to enter the password. The password is simply A 84 F D 655. Check it. A8, wait a minute. I have capital letters here and my actual credentials are lowercase, so I need to cancel and do this again. Actually, I'm going to select clear all and do that again. We'll turn the cap locks off this time and A 84 F D 655. A84FD655. Looks good. I'm going to click OK. So one more quick check. It looks pretty good, and it's very important at this time to cycle the power on the navigator because entries are saved during the power down. So I'm going to select back and back, and I'm going to get back to my main menu, hold down the power button. Do I want to shut down? Yes, I do. I'm going to wait a few seconds, and then I'm going to turn it back on, and I'm going to speed up this process for you so we don't have to wait. So we're back to the main menu, and the first thing I'm going to do is check to make sure that the credentials I installed are there. So settings, connections, there's jetpack. Let's select jetpack, edit, jetpack, SSID, password. Looks like we're okay. Back to the main menu. Next, I want to actually connect to a server through my jetpack to make sure that the credentials are working properly. But before I do that, I'm going to check to make sure that GPS is active. So I'm going to select work order. Do I want to download a work order list? No, I don't. Here it shows me a map, says GPS is okay. I'm good to go. Exit. Go back to leakage detector. Now I'll connect to a server. But first I'm going to select the server I'm going to connect to. So once again I'm going to go back to connections. This time I'm going to select server. I want to connect to QAM Arcom. Back to my main menu. Select leakage detector. Connect to server QAM Arcom. Yes. Waiting for GPS lock. This will happen quickly, I think. Good. And there we've connected to the server. Should give me an error. And this error tells me that the signal processor is offline in my area, so I'm going to press exit. And now I'm back to the main menu. But that error that I received came from the server, so that proves that I am able to connect to a server through the Wi-Fi with the credentials that I just installed. When entering special characters other than what is selectable from the navigator screen, you will need to use QBrowser. QBrowser is the application that communicates with all of Arcom mobile and portable devices. Using QBrowser settings, you will be able to select any character available on your keyboard, or you can cut and paste into QBrowser fields. And finally, if you have any questions about setting up your QAM Snare Navigator, feel free to call any of your Arcom sales engineering representatives listed here.